Hi, this is Andy Demi from the London Trading Group, and I'm just going to talk you through, guys, a setup that I've got. So it's on Sterling-Aussie, and I'm actually looking to go against the trend. I've taken a short position. Now let me talk through the higher time frame. So I'm looking here at the weekly chart, and I do look at Sterling-Aus as an easy move back up to this 183 area, which is this old level of support here. But when I go to the smaller time frames, this is one of my classic setups here, where we've actually reached a pivotal point. Sorry, that's just from this morning's mentoring session. I'm just going to show you. And if I add in my automatic Fibonacci, what this market is basically telling me is that we're at a key reversal point here at the 127 Fibonacci level. So I've basically taken a short at 176.25. In terms of targets, guys, what I'm looking for is basically as a first target, I would like to see this really move back up down to 172.48. But before it even gets there, we are most likely going to find some key levels of support, especially here, and possibly even before that. So if you kind of take this potential move here, I'm not looking at this as a straight move down. I think that potentially we kind of swing around this area here, and that area, guys, I mean, is coming in at 173.70. And then potentially you get a bounce, and then potentially we then break and hit the target down here. Now, if you were looking for something, if you're happy to just kind of take it down to here, that's a great place to at least take some profit. So I would say 173.85 just to be a bit conservative as a first target. Stop, I would recommend you go quite a bit above these highs. Above 176.90 would be quite a safe place in case this market decides to spike a bit higher. Okay, so we've got a nice reversal bar on the 4 hour, and you can see it's rejected perfectly in our zone there. So got my first position in at 176.25 and looking to take some off here and then leave some for a bigger move. I do actually like the buy side though, so I'm actually going to use this zone here, which also coincides with this up and coming support line to buy. So this area here will be a buy zone for me. And the second trade is Sterling-CAD. I like this one short, and I really like this kind of this toppy action here. Nice rejection bar. You can see it's just starting to run out of steam a little bit, and I do think cable is due a pullback as well, as is dollar CAD. So I think the two combined should push this lower. And as a target, I like basically back down to this old level of resistance that now becomes support, which is 175.10. So if you targeted about 175.25, you've got about 160 pips there of potential profit. Okay, so that one looks quite promising. This is the 4 hour chart, again broken in a trend line, and potential for it to rally to push back down to here, almost actually even create this head and shoulders pattern. So this could be your left shoulder, here's your head, this potentially is your right shoulder. And if you like patterns, then you can actually just kind of get a rough measurement of this distance, and this is very, very rough. Project it down, you can actually see it matches this level very, very well. So if you don't like going against the trend, what you can do is you can wait for this area here as a buying opportunity. And that completes today's setups. If you want to take a 2-week trial of our mentor room, guys, you just need to simply email us at info@londontradinggroup.com, and we'll set you up with 2 weeks where you can basically watch all of our analysis in the morning between 7 and 9:30, and then receive the recording. So we go through all the majors, and we also go through some of the commodities and indices. Okay, that's all for now. Have a good day and good trading.